I love the opportunity to sell a house that has a lot of character. There's so many houses out there right now that all look the same. You don't know what one from the other because they pretty much are identical. So if a house has character, it's really rewarding. And also can be more challenging too, which is actually rewarding as well. I love anything with character. Some of the challenges that you come across selling an older home is most of the time there's deferred maintenance. So you have to make sure you put it in the best light and you don't overspend getting it ready for market, because sometimes different people's needs will change and it could be, sadly, a tear down. But you want to make sure that you're bringing in the most number of buyers. So you still need to make it look good. I went to an open house one time where the agent knew it was going to be sold to a developer. They didn't even clean the kitchen. There were dishes in the sink. I was so embarrassed for them. I'm like, how appalling that you don't take enough pride in order to make the house at least clean. Oh, it's going to be a tear down. Doesn't matter. Oh, it was awful.